Hello everyone, welcome to Facts with Bharat, and today we are going to learn how to create a professional business website for free. Yes, for free, but before proceed, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it by clicking on the subscribe button below to get the latest updates and facts related to technologies, marketing strategies and other important topics. So let's begin the process of creating or developing a website with WordPress. As we have already briefed you in detail, to create any kind of website, we require two important things. One is domain and another one is hosting. So if you require any kind of information related to hosting and domain, please don't forget to check out our previous video. We have already shared the link of that video in the description below. So now we have to start the process of creating or developing a website. So let's start the process of creating our website. So first of all, we need to open a browser, and in the URL section, we need to enter our website URL, www.yourwebsitedomainname.com/, then cpanel. Once you enter this URL, it will land it to you on control panel login page, where you have to enter your hosting control panel username password. So here I am going to enter my hosting control panel username and password. So here is my username, and then I'm going to enter my password over there and click on login. Once you click on login, you will be landing on a cPanel dashboard. So here you have to find out soft callers apps installer, then scripts, and under scripts you will find WordPress. There are a number of applications like Joomla, Drupal, PHP, BB, like others applications, but we need to click on WordPress to install WordPress. Okay, we are going to click on WordPress now. Once you click on WordPress, it will take you to the WordPress panel. Here it shows WordPress version 4.8.1. Once you scroll it down, there are two tabs: Install Now, My Apps. We need to click on Install Now button. Once we click on the Install Now tab, it will redirect us to our software setup page. So where we have to enter the following things. In choose protocol, we need to use http:// then www instead of http://www. After that, choose domain. Our domain should be similar, like we don't need to change the domain. In directory, we need to make it blank. We need to remove this, whatever it is written over there. After that, there is a site setting. In site setting, we need to enter our site name. Site name could be a title of your website, which is going to be displayed over your browser's title bar. So I'm going to type welcome to my first website. After that, in site description, you can enter your keywords and all, or you can type your slogan as well. So here is my slogan. I'm going to type this. Once you scroll it down, there is another setting, admin account. So these admin account settings, username and password, are those one with the help of these details you are going to log into WordPress control panel. Okay, this is going to be your WordPress control panel from where you are going to update your website. So keep a note of these credentials. And in email IDs, we request you to put your personal email ID because if you forget the password of your WordPress dashboard, in that case, you can reset your password, and that reset password will be mailed to your personal email ID. So I'm going to use admin user like admin. My username should be admin, and password I'm going to use my password like you can type whatever you wanted to. And here in email section, we need to type our personal email ID. After that, we need to scroll it down. We no need to change language. We no need to choose any select plugin section, advanced option. There is an install button at the bottom. We need to just click on that. Click on install. Once you click on install, it shows the status bar with showing that percent has been updated. Once you've done that, it says congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So that's it, guys. Our WordPress has been installed. Now what we have to do, we have to log it out. Now in an address bar, we need to type our website address, www.ourdomainname.com//. Okay, then wp-admin. Once you enter that, it will take you to the WordPress admin login page. where you have to enter your WordPress admin login details, not your hosting control panel details. Okay, so whatever information we have entered in the dashboard section, WordPress login section, we need to enter those credentials over there. So sorry, I am going to type sorry, I'm just going to retype this address, crazyforms.in// then okay, WP admin. After that, you need to enter your credential. Like I'm going to enter my username admin and password. After that, we need to click on login. Once you click on login, you will be landed on a website dashboard. This is your main dashboard from where you can update your website, you can create your theme, you can update your theme, you can add, edit, delete, anything, whatever is reflecting on your website, you can manage it from here only. Okay, so now we have created this. First of all, we need to add a theme. Before going to introduce, before we are going to add any kind of theme, let's check out our website right now, how it is looking right now. We need to open a new window, then enter your website URL www.yourdomain.com or .in, whatever it is. Once you click on it, you can check out, you can see that in the title bar, whatever we have mentioned in the site name, it's reflecting there, welcome to my website, and here is a little bit slogan site. After that, our website is looking like this right now. We need to make it more professional. Okay, now come to our, because we need to add a theme here. So WordPress is paid theme as well, WordPress is free themes as well. So we are going to use here a free theme, but this free theme is also giving you a professional website feel. Okay, now come to our website dashboard. Once you come to our dashboard, here is a in the left hand side, you can see there are a lot of menu section like post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, user, tools, settings, collapse items. So now first of all, we need to add a theme for our website. Which theme we are going to use? So first of all, we need to click on appearance on the left hand side menu, and then we need to click on themes. Once you click on themes, a theme section will be open. There are already 3 themes are defined, showing. These themes are already inbuilt, which is reflecting here right now. This theme is active right now. We need a professional one. So for that, here on the top, you can see that add new theme, or you can click on add new theme in the bottom as well. So once we click on add new theme, okay, it will take you to that theme page where you will find more or more, there are number of free themes are available. So there are popular, feature theme, latest themes are also. So in latest theme, we are going to use honor theme. Now we need to find out honor theme. Scroll it down and locate that if we can find out honor theme here. Here it is. Now what we have to do, we have to just click on install button over there. Once you roll over on this image, it will show you 2 options. One is install and another one is preview. So we are going to use this theme. This is going to be a good theme, and this is really looks like a professional theme for a basic one. So we are going to use this one. So once we click on install, it shows installing. So once it's done, it will ask you to activate it. Okay, so let it install first, and then we will process further. Okay, now it's installed. Now it's showing activated. So now we need to click on activate. Once we click on activate, now come to your main website URL and refresh your page. Once you refresh it, you can see that the whole website page has been changed now. Now what we have to do, basically this theme has been integrated. Now we need to make it more professional. Okay, so we need to change the logo, we need to add the menu bar, we need to add a banner, then need to add 2 to 3 services, then call to action. We are going to integrate all these things on this page. Okay, so now it's look wizard right now. So what we are going to do now? First of all, we need to add a logo over there. So what we have to do? We need to go to our dashboard. Okay, in dashboard, in the appearance section, we need to click on customize. Okay, below the theme section, you can find that tab customize. You have to click on customize tab. Once you click on the customize tab, okay, it will open more options like journal settings, header settings, front page settings, design settings, additional settings, footer settings. What we have to do, we need to find journal settings. We need to click on general setting, and then we need to find this site logo, title, favicon icons here. We need to click over there, and from here you can add your website logo. Once you click on your site logo, it will ask you to upload, drop a file anywhere to upload it. So we need to choose a file first, select file, okay, then we need to locate it, logo, open it, and here you can enter your titles for this logo, caption, all text for SEO purpose. Okay, now we are going to select this. We don't want it to crop this logo, we are going to use this as original one. So skip cropping, and you can see that it's reflecting over there. And besides that, there is a title tag is also there, and there is a description section is also there. So if you don't want it to use this title tag and description section, you need to uncheck this uncheck this box, display site title and tagline. Just click on that and save and publish. Now come to your website URL and just refresh your page. Now see, your logo has been integrated and your website name and description has been removed, but it's still there in the title bar. Okay, now we need to add more pages like home, about us, contact us, services, and media, press, something like that. So what we have to do, we need to add more pages over there. So for that, again, we need to go to our dashboard section and close this. After that, you will find over there the pages. We need to add pages first. So you need to click on pages first and then all pages. It will show you all the pages which you have created on this WordPress admin panel. So this is a sample page. We don't require this. You need to trash it out first. Okay. Now we need to require to add new pages. New pages like home, about us, contact us, whatever pages you wanted to create, you can create it over here. So we need to go create first page first, like home page, home. Okay. Now at the right hand side, you can see that tab publish. Okay. We need to click on that. Once you click on publish, it will be automatically live on your website. If you are not going to publish it, okay, it's not going to reflect on your website. So we are going to publish it. It means it's live on our website now. Okay. Now we are going to add another tab like about us. Okay. Now again, what we have to do, once you do it publish, it shows the tab update. So whenever we are going to update anything, it will ask you for update. It will not ask you to publish it again. So now we need to add another page. So again, we need to click on add new. Otherwise you can go to again pages, then add new. It's the same process. We are going to click on add new on the top of the page. Once you click on add new, it will ask you to add a new page. So now name it about us. Okay. Again, publish. Now we need another page like this should be our media press. We require a service page as well, but we don't want it to click on a service page. Okay, and it will redact to our service. It should reflect the number of services. We wanted to make it a drop down services. So that's why I'm not putting the service tab here. We will put in the menu section separately. So first of all, we are going to create a media tab over there. So new tab is media. Okay, now publish, and last tab is contact us. This is going to be a basic website or an informative website for a startup business, so you can use this one. Okay, so once you click on another tab, add new and contact us, then publish. Now once you come to your main website and refresh your page, you will find all the 4 pages which we have created is reflecting over there: about us, contact us, and home, media. But these are not in a sequencing format. We required home page should be in front, about us after home page, contact should be last. So we will recreate it. So what we have to do in that case, we need to create a logo. We need to create a menu first. Okay. So now again we come to the dashboard, and in appearance section we will find the tab menu. Okay, now click on menu. We need to create a menu first, and then we will add these tabs. So it will ask you menu name. So let's name it main menu and create menu. Once you create a menu, okay, it will ask you to make it a primary menu or footer menu. If you are going to make it primary menu, it will look like this. If you are going to add it footer menu, so your pages will be your menu should be reflected in the footer section. Okay, now we are going to use this as our primary menu, and we are not going to use this automatically add new top level page to this menu. It means whenever you are going to create any pages, it will be automatically add to your menu section. So we don't require it because it wizards our website layout. So what we are going to do now, we have to choose all these pages which we are going to add in our menu section: home, about us, media, contact us, and then add to menu. Once you click on add to menu, it will reflect in the right hand side in your menu section. Now from here you can rearrange them. Like if you wanted to, if you want home to be on the top, about us to be on the second one, media should be the third one, and contact us should be the last one, you just need to drag and drop. You have to just shuffle the positions like this. Okay, like about us and media. Now we need to add, now first of all we need to save menu. That's it. Now check out it on our website. The sequencing is working perfectly fine or not. Once we refresh the menu or website, it shows it's in a particular manner. Now it's saying home, about us, media, contact us. Now we need to add services between about us and media. What we have to do, we need to go to again on menu section in appearance menu. Then you will find a custom link tab. Once you click on the custom link, you have to type your custom tab names. We need to type services over there. In URL, we don't want it to redirect a person to a service page. Once a person click on service, nothing should be happen. The drop down should come. So what we have to do, we need to use hashtag over there and then add to menu. Now again, we need to shift it like this, and we need to make shift it between about us and media and save menu. Now come to our website, refresh it. It's saying home, about us, services, media, and contact us. Our menu section or header section is completely done now. Now what we have to do, we need to create 2 to 3 pages or services under this services section. For this, what we have to do, we need to go to the post section and add new. The process is the same as we have done in the pages section. We need to create pages or services in the end. We need to create basically post in this section. So we need to add new post over there. Okay, so this is going to be our service 1, and then again publish. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add one step. This is category. We need to add one category over there in post section, because we are going to add it in service section. So we need to add a category. So we need to add category like services. So leave this page. We need to create a category under the post section. We need to add it like services. This is our services category. Once you click on add new category, the services category has been created. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to come to our all post section. It's showing draft, it's not live right now. If you can see that, it's not live right now. Check it out. It's not reflected over there because it's draft right now. We have not published it yet. Okay, now come to this section and click on edit. Okay, now here it's not published. Okay, so now we need to choose services and uncheck this uncategory, because this should be the part of services section. Okay, so this is services, and now you can publish it. Once you published it, okay, again it's not going to reflect it because we have not entered this section in our services, in our menu section. Now what we have to do, we have to again create another services. Like I'm going to create another second services like service 2. Now click on services. You need to choose the service category and publish. Add one more, because we are going to reflect these 3 services on our home page too. Okay, add new services, service and 3. This is going to be our service 3 and publish. We have already choose the category service. So all the 3 services has been added to our services section. Now we need to reflect them in our menu section under services. Once we roll over on service, the drop down should come and all the 3 services should be reflected. So what we have to do, we have to again go to the appearance, then menu. Now this time in the post section, we need to click on post section, and here you can see your post which you have created like services 1, service 2, service 3. check those services and then click add to menu. Now you wanted to make it a drop down. This is the simplest process, guys. You just need to reshuffle it. Okay, it's your service main menu. If you are going to use this one, let's see what happens if you leave it like this. So it will be added in your main menu. It's not going to be a drop down one. So once you refreshed it, so you can see that all the services are reflecting in the main section, but we wanted to be in services under drop down section. So what we are going to do, we are going to use just slightly drag them, like under the services section we need to slightly drag them. Now this is a drop down menu. It means this is a part of services. So again we need to do the same thing for services 2. We need to do the same thing for services 3. Okay, now save menu. Now come to your website and refresh it. Now it's easier way to create a drop down. Now you can see that once you roll over on services, it says service 1, service 2, service 3. Now all the 3 services pages has been created. Now once you click on this, it will redirect to your service 1 page. You can see that. Okay, now we comes to our home page. Now we need to add a banner over there. Okay, so what we have to do, now we come to our, first of all, it's not our landing page. Once you click on our logo, it's not our landing page. It comes to a random page. So what we have to do, we need to, home page should be our landing page. Okay, so whenever a person click on a home page or whenever a person types our website URL directly, so it will land it to our home page. So what we have to do, we have to come to the settings section in the last tab. Okay, under settings section there is a tab reading. You have to click on reading. Once you click on reading, there is an option front page display. What do you want to display on a front page? So you need to click on a static page. Once you click on a static page, we need to create a front page. Okay, so we don't need to choose that post page. We need to create a front page. So we can make any of them page should be our landing page. Our landing page should be the home page. So we are going to click on the home. Okay, now that's it. Now we are going to save it. And once you go to the home, or once you are going to enter this URL and press enter, it will land you to the home page. Okay, this is our home page. Now we are going to add a banner over there. So first of all, we need to use homepage theme. So we need to come to our pages section. Okay, here in the home page, we need to click on edit. Once you roll over on home page, it shows edit, quick edit, trash, view. You need to click on edit. Once you click on edit, it opens the home page section where you can update your content. Okay, this you can see in the right hand menu side, page attributes, parent, template. In the template section there is a drop down menu, so you have to choose home page from this drop down section, and after that you need to click on update. Now you just come to your website page and just refresh it. Once you refresh it, you can see that everything has been gone. Now there is a header, there is a footer, nothing else, and there is an up arrow which is not working right now because there is nothing on this home page. Okay, now we need to add a banner over there, 3 services on the home page, and then one call to action like an appointment page, just call us now, something like that. So first of all, we need to create a banner over there. So how to create or how to add a banner on a home page? What we have to do, we need to come to our dashboard. Now again, we need to comes to our post section and category first. We need to create a category banner first. Okay, we are going to create a new category, name it banner, and just scroll it down and add new category. Now you can see that banner category has been created. Now comes to add new or all posts. You can do anything. Okay, once you click on all posts, there is a random temporary, or you can say that temp post. We just need to remove that because we don't require this hello world. This is a dummy one. Now we need to add one category. This is going to be a banner section. Add one, and now we are going to use it. This is my first banner. We need to add this is my first banner. Okay, now we need to choose the banner category. Okay, because this section has to be reflect in banner section. So under category we need to choose banner. Once you scroll it down more, there is a tab features image. There is a section called feature image. Now you have to choose a banner image for your banner. Okay, now once you click on set feature image, it will ask you to upload it. So again, you need to click on upload file, choose your banner file. Your banner file should be 800 should be in 800 should be in width, or could be around 1920 in width. So it's up to you. Okay, so the ideally should be proportionately, and the banner size should be same for all the banners. So I'm going to use this one, and its size is around, let me check once I have selected it. It says its banner size is 1348 and the height is 4321. Its width is 1348 and height is 432. Okay, that's in pixels, guys. Okay, not an inch. Okay, or not in feet too. So let's do one thing now. Set featured image and published. Now we need to add another banner. We are going to add two banner images over there. Again, we need to add new, and I'm going to type it. This is my second banner. This is my second banner. Okay, second banner. Again, going to choose this category banner, and again going to choose this feature image. I'm going to add another feature image. Upload second feature. This is going to be a second banner image, and then set this feature image. Go to publish. Okay, it's not reflecting right now because we have not set it in the backend. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go to this section again, and now comes to this appearance, and now this time we need to click on customize. Once you click on customize, there is a section called front page settings. Once you click on front page setting, it asks you to update this setting, like slider setting. Once you click on this slider setting, it will ask you to choose category. Now we have to choose category in banner instead of services, because we have created banner services. Banner category for banner section. Okay, once you've done that, just save and publish. Come to your website and now refresh your link. So here is your banner, guys. Now you can scroll it down, like you can scroll it left and right. This is your banner. Whatever heading you have given over there, it's reflecting over there. This is my first banner. This is my second banner. Okay, so now our header part is done. Our banner part is done. Now we need to add 3 services below this banner section. Now again we need to go to this. Sorry guys, we need to go to this dashboard, and now this time we need to go to appearance and widgets. Okay, widgets is basically a part of things like it's an add-on to our website. So first of all, we need to remove these things. We just remove we have to just slide them out, slide them, drag and drop, and it will be removed. So as before it was reflecting over there on the right hand side, now it won't be reflecting over there. Okay, so now you can see that nothing is reflecting over there. So what we have to do, on the home page we need to add services. So there is an honor guide items. You have to just drag it and put it under home page section area. Once you dragged it out, it will ask you to choose category. You have to choose services, and it asks you to show how many numbers, services or pages or posts you wanted to show. So we would just wanted to show 3 sites right now, 3 services right now. So just click on save. That's it. And now refresh it and click on home page. Now it will show you the services section. Now scroll it down. Here is service 1, service 2, service 3. Now we need to add, how to add a content to these pages. Okay, now just we are going to use a dummy page, dummy content on this side. So let's open our dummy content website. Its called name is Lorem Ipsum. Just click on that. From here you can use a dummy. This website is especially for the dummy content. So that content doesn't mean anything. Okay, so it doesn't make any sense to. So I'm just going to use this content. Just right click and copy. Now come to this. Now come to your post pages, because those pages were blank, so that's why it shows blank here. Okay, now close this. So I'm just going to this page. I'm going to click on edit on service page 1. Now here I'm going to paste the service content. Okay, now again I wanted to reflect one images over there on the top of these services and some content over there. So for this display image, we need to set a featured image. So once we click on set featured image, click on upload. I am going to add this one, this image to be the featured image. Okay, I am going to use the same content, the same image for all the three services. Done. Services, nothing has to be done, and then update. That's it. The same process I am going to do for the rest of the two services. So check it out right now. Now I am going to click on all post, service 2, edit, paste. Again going to choose the same image, set feature image, update. The same thing for the service 3 too. Going to the all post, edit services, paste. Now the feature image, set feature image, the same one, and set feature image, and done. Now comes to your website and just refresh the page. Your services are reflecting over there with some of the content, few lines are there, images there, and if you wanted to click on this page, it will redirect to your services page. Okay, so here is your service page. Okay, so our home page is more or less completed. Now we need to add one call to action over there in the bottom section. That's it. So again, we need to come to appearance, widget. Okay, now we need to add it under this section or on our grid. Okay, grid theme, we need to add a call to action button. So there is a honor call to action. Okay, we need to again drag and drop it here. That's it. And it will ask you to put a background image. Just select any background image. I'm going to use this one. Now it's asking you to put a section content. Don't use a long content because it's a call to action. So we are going to type it like for any queries, contact us now. Okay. Now here you can type, provide a button as well if you wanted to redirect them to that particular page. Like I wanted to redirect them to the contact us page. Here you can put that contact us page. Let's come to the contact website and click on contact us. Copy this URL and paste it over there. That's it, guys, and save it. So our home page is more or less complete. It's more or less it's completed now. Once you click on home page, here is our header section, here is our banner section, all the three services are there. Here is our call to action, and this is our photos, guys. Our home page is done. Once you click on contact us, it will redirect you to the contact us page. Now what we have to do, we have already know that how to add a content on a pages. So we have to do the same thing. Like if you need to add any kind of content on about us, let's come to the pages section. Click on about us, edit, just copy paste the content. Like you need to copy paste the lorem ipsum content, and here is the lorem ipsum content. Copy this. I'm going to make it little longer. It looks like a paragraph or something like that. Now I need to add an image over there too. So what we have to do, we need to click on add media. Okay, you will find it here below the title section. You will find add media tab. Once you click on add media, it will ask you to upload an image for that particular section related to that particular page. We are going to use this image, insert into page. Okay, it will reflect you in a few seconds. It reflects there because I was clicked over there. So just make it a little higher like this, drag it down, and once it's look like this right now. We need to make it aligned. So once you click on that particular image, it gives you align left, align center, or align right. We are going to make it align right. Okay, and then update. Once you update it, Now come to our section, main website, and click on About Us. The content has been updated. Here it is. Okay. This section is little bit looks like weird. So in the contact us section, the same thing. We need to add some content related to our address. Now come to the all pages. Click on contact, edit. Here you can type head office, your office address, contact name, phone number, email. That's it, guys, and update it. Now refresh the contact us page. The information will be reflected here. You can add an image over there as well. Now you can see that the left side, the right hand side looks like weird right now. It's blank. So we need to add quick links like services. So what we have to do, again we need to go to appearance menu. Now we need to create new menu. Create a new menu. Now it should be right menu, create menu. What we wanted to reflect in right menu section. We don't need to choose these options. We wanted to show basically our services. So click on post, service 1, 2, 3, add to menu. That's it. Save menu. Now come to your widget section. Click on widgets, and here in the left hand side there's we need to drag and drop the custom menu over there. So just custom menu, drag it here. Now give it a title like it's a quick links, and select your menu. We are going to use right menu over there and save it. Now check it out. Here it is. So your quick links are reflecting over there. So you have done, guys. You have completed your professional website. Once you click on home page, there's a logo, all the pages. So you have completed your basic professional website, and you have saved a lot of time. And you can say that in half an hour you can create your professional website if you have a good content with you. So you can create n number of pages. There's no restriction. It depends upon your hosting space. Okay, you can upload an image, you can upload your YouTube videos as well. So for to integrate any kind of YouTube video, you just copy that YouTube video URL and just paste it in that description section. Like simply here, you have to just copy that URL and paste it there and update it. The video will be reflected. So that's it, guys. We have created our professional website within half an hour. That's really amazing, guys. Now, if you really like our video, please don't forget to like and share it. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the latest updates and facts related to technologies, marketing strategies, and other important topics. Do subscribe our channel. We will meet you soon. Thank you.